News that we're tracking as far as Atishi is concerned. In fact, the Delhi water minister has been hospitalized. Remember, she has been on an indefinite hunger strike, but her health worsens amid this hunger strike, is what we're given to understand. In fact, Atishi's blood sugar levels drop, and Atishi on hunger strike since June 21st, and indefinite hunger stirred over water crisis.
उनकी रात से ब्लड शुगर लेवल गिर रही थी, तो हमने सैंपल उनका दिया था तो 46 उनकी शुगर लेवल आई थी। और उसके बाद उनकी पोर्टेबल मशीन से ली तो उनकी 36 तक शुगर लेवल आई, जो कि अच्छी नहीं है, सीरियस रहती है। इसलिए उनको हमने जो है अभी LNJP हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट कराया है और अब डॉक्टर साहब उनका इलाज कर रहे हैं, तो अब सेफ हैं।
Nikhil, my colleague, joins me for more. Nikhil, good morning. Clearly, her health seems to be deteriorating given the current situation. What are we picking up?
Well, she has been admitted to Lok Nayak Jayaprakash Hospital yesterday evening, and in fact, late night her situation got deteriorated. Remember, she has set on protest starting from 21st of June after writing a detailed letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking additional water from the state of Haryana. But this is something which has not been provided, so she set on protest, and now her blood sugar level condition deteriorated, and it came out about 12 AM at about 43, and at about 3 AM it was recorded at about 36, which is abnormal. So she was immediately taken to the LNJP hospital, where now she has been admitted to the LNJP emergency ward. And this is something which is currently being seen in context to the water crisis. Remember, a 10-member delegation have already met Delhi LG VK Saxena, wherein it was informed to him as to what exactly the water crisis situation is across Delhi. Delhi LG VK Saxena also assured that he is going to speak to Haryana Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini, after which he also had a word at about 4 PM day before yesterday, wherein Nayab Singh Saini assured Delhi LG VK Saxena that he is going to surely review about the water supply to the capital city. But now it appears like the situation have already gone out of hands, because Atishi sat on the protest and she was not eating anything for last 5 days. So we need to see as to what exactly is the medical bulletin which is going to be released from the side of the LNJP hospital, which is Delhi government run hospital. Back to you.
Right, Nikhil, I appreciate you getting us those details, but stay with me. I understand you're tracking more important developments for us. I'm going to come back to you in a couple of minutes.